This is a circular Sankey chart. It is a great way to see how things move through a network. In this example, I see funds flowing into a customer's accounts from the left and out from the same accounts to the right. In the bottom left corner, I see counterparts that have both sent funds to and received funds from the customer. The widths of the lines indicate the amount of funds, and I see the top 5 counterparts. This type of chart can be used on any data in Convier. And to show you how, I want to show you how it was configured. I will start by removing the one that was already there, and then decide to add a flowchart. I will choose transaction as a thing that I want to add computer flow on, and the transaction amount as the thing that should determine the width. I will then tell it how to see the difference between transactions coming in and transactions going out. And then I need to define the labels, the thing that is connected. This could have been on the transaction object itself, but in this example, I need to go to the linked customer and counterpart objects respectively to get those names. Looking at the preview, that looks as I expected, and I will click Add Flow. And that was it. With those clicks, I have added a circular Sankey chart to my view. But the story continues, because with this, I can now move into the flow application where the thing becomes a lot more interactive. As an example, I can group by something else than the label, for example, country, to see which countries the customer is sending funds to and receiving funds from. I can also add other kinds of filters, for example, minimum volume to remove some noise. But more importantly, I can add more things to this chart. There is one large source of funds here and that I'm interested in looking into. And adding it to the chart, I see that it's also sending funds to 2 other customers. Now adding those to the chart starts to reveal a pattern of transactions that would have been very hard for me to spot otherwise. And this is what makes it so powerful as part of financial investigations.